Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Horlicks ice cream. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, and 3/4 of a cup of Horlicks powder. Also, have 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract ready. Make sure all your dairy products are well chilled before you begin this delightful process. Next, let's prepare the cream base. In a large mixing bowl, combine the 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Whisk these ingredients together gently until you can no longer feel any sugar granules when you rub a small amount between your fingers. The goal is to dissolve the sugar completely, not to whip the cream. Now it's time to add that distinctive Horlicks flavor. Slowly sprinkle the 3/4 of a cup of Horlicks powder into your cream mixture. Whisk continuously to ensure there are no lumps and the powder is completely dissolved, creating a smooth, uniform base. Finally, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to enhance the overall taste profile of your ice cream. Once your Horlicks mixture is ready, pour it into your ice cream maker. Churn it according to your machine's specific instructions, which usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes until it reaches a soft serve consistency. Then, transfer the ice cream to an airtight container and freeze it for 4 to 6 hours to firm up. Scoop and enjoy your delicious homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.